Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create user from graphical user interface GUI. At first, click on the Show Applications button, then search for Settings. Click on Settings. Now on Settings, search for User Settings. Click on User. Then, after coming into this window, unlock by entering password of current user. Now press Authenticate. Now press on this Add User button. Now click on Account Type Standard. Insert full name. Then insert username. And then set a password. Confirm this password. After doing this step, press on End. Say a user named Donut has been created from graphical user interface. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.